Bob Lamb. I don't know if you ever saw what a pileated woodpecker looks like or what they do, but they love cedar trees, and you can see I've been watching this cedar tree for the last couple of weeks, especially the last day or two. And this pileated woodpecker comes here. I can't get him on camera. He's really quick, but I've been watching him, and he is really taking the holes. He is putting so many holes in here, it's unreal, isn't it? Let me just look at the size of some of those. And there's one up where I live in the condo in the valley where it is really a huge hole. He's put in a big aspen tree up there. But I just thought you might enjoy looking at this.